Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ronniedleo. Now, there's a lot of discussion about the car safety and everything that's happening around us. So I thought I'll make a small, quick video to let the common man understand what it's about. Now, earlier in India, the cars were here. They had no regulation, nothing. They would just make it as per their own standards. But of course, they were not safe. Then India came up with some regulations, and India said that the cars should have a certain level of safety in them. And that's when the cars manufacturers started making the cars a little safer than what they were earlier, right? This was with regards to the crash test, but that was a very minimum thing. Now, everybody's hearing about NCAP, GNCAP, and all that. And people are wondering that, if they should go for the safest cars or not. See, understand something. NCAP is slightly better than Indian regulations. There are a few positives that are there in that which are a little more stringent. So the car has to be a slightly better. But it's not that it's the end of the world. As of now, there are Euro standards as well, which are even better than NCAP, and they look at more active, avoidance of accidents. NCAP looks at more in case of an accident, so it is not avoiding the accident; it is just saving the people in case of an accident. So these are the different levels that we are at. Now, some people are calling the Tata and Mahindra five-star rating a marketing gimmick. Not really. There have been a lot of cars in the past as well that have been better. They have better NCAP rating. They had better Euro standards. One such car that comes to my mind was Skoda Fabia, but because of the price, it would not sell in the market. Now Mahindra and Tata have somewhere been able to come up with those cars that are better. They are reaching the NCAP rating, but they are not even hitting the price too high. They are somewhere around the other players who are not even giving those many stars. So you tell me something. If for the same price, if you're getting a car that is better, which is NCAP level, not Euro standard yet, of course there is always scope for improvement. But if it's at NCAP level with a 5 star or a 4 star, compared to something that is a 0 star or a 2 star, what would you prefer and what should you prefer? Right? Service after sales is a different thing, but that the first thing that comes to mind is the car itself. So this is something that I wanted to explain with regards to the cars before the regulations, in regulations, NCAP, and the Euro standards. Do let me know what you think about it and if this makes sense. Thank you.